Hi, let us solve second exercise problems of chapter polynomials. Coming to the first main problems, find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. Coming to the fourth problem, the given quadratic polynomial is 4u square plus 8u. Let us take the polynomial as p of u is equal to 4u square plus 8u. Now we have to find its zeros of a polynomial. Let us write the polynomial value as 0 is equal to 4u square plus 8u. So let me write the quadratic polynomial as 4u square plus 8u is equal to 0. Now we have to find its u value, that is, so 4u square plus 8u. In these two groups, take 4u as a common and u plus 2 right inside the bracket. Let us apply zero product rule, that is 4u is equal to 0 or u plus 2 is equal to 0. So u value is 0 by 4 or u value is minus 2. So 0 by 4 u value is 0 or u value is minus 2. So these are the two roots of a given quadratic polynomial 4u square plus 8u. So that is one root. Let us take this one root as alpha is 0 and another root as beta is equal to minus 2. Now we have to verify the relationship between the zeros and its coefficient. So we know that the standard form of a quadratic polynomial, that is ax square plus bx plus c. So by comparing the given quadratic polynomial with the standard form, we get a is equal to, that is coefficient of u square is 4 and b value is coefficient of u, that is 8, and constant it is 0. Now we know that the relationship between the zeros and coefficient, if alpha and beta are the two roots of a given quadratic polynomial, then sum of the roots, that is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a and product of its roots is equal to c by a. So we got already alpha and beta values. Let us substitute the values. 0 plus minus beta value as minus 2 is equal to minus, that is coefficient of b, it is 8 divided by 4. 0 plus of minus, it is minus 2 is equal to minus 8 divided by 2. So value is 4 ones are 4 twos are minus 2. Let us verify the product of the roots. Alpha into beta, that is 0 into 2 is 0 into minus 2 is equal to c value is 0 divided by a value is minus 4. 0 into minus 2 value is 0 is equal to 0 by 4, even value is 0. So LHS is equal to RHS. Thus we have verified the relation between the zeros and its coefficient. With this problem, I will wind up the session. In my next video, let us solve remaining exercise problems. Thank you.